Okay, I think this might be the healthiest my hair has ever felt after having a colour treatment. That has definitely got to be a first. In fact, it was kind of a day of firsts because I tried out balayage for the first time ever, I went to an Aveda salon, which I haven't done before, and I walked out with, in my humble opinion, the best blonde I've ever been. I wanted to share the whole experience with you. The befores, what my lovely hairdresser Georgie recommended, the products that she used, the whole process, and why I genuinely feel like this is the best, softest, healthiest blonde I've ever had. So before we get into all of that, let's take a step back because I need to show you what was going on with my hair. This is what Georgie had to work with. Sorry, Georgie. It had been 6 months since my last colour. Not by choice, just life and circumstance. The blonde, it had got a bit blocky, especially from sort of the mid-lengths and around the front. It felt a bit flat, so lacked contrast, and because of that, it sort of felt like it lacked movement. I also had a few silvery strands down the parting, which I don't particularly mind, but they weren't exactly blending. So I'm off to the salon now. It's about 15 or 20 minutes from where I live. I live in the countryside, so everything is at least 15 or 20 minutes from where I live. I've really struggled to find some inspiration photos. No, that's not quite true. Let me get accurate. I have struggled to refine my inspiration photos. I get a bit carried away on Pinterest, saving endless pictures of various blonde styles. They all look absolutely beautiful to me. So in the end, I get overwhelmed and not exactly sure what it is I want. Luckily, Georgie was at hand to ask me some very helpful questions to pin down exactly what it is I was after. First up, she asked, what do I like or love about my hair at the moment? I said that I really liked how it had grown out, that it looked very natural, and that therefore it was really low maintenance. I also like my natural colour, which kind of has taken me by surprise. And then finally, I was happy that my hair was feeling much healthier. And then of course she asked me what I didn't like. I said that I didn't love my hair from kind of like midpoint down. It felt blocky or solid in colour and that it lacked dimension. She also asked me was there anything else that I wanted to kind of mention, and I just said that overall the health of my hair was my top priority. This then led to Georgie recommending a product line at Aveda, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit more detail once we get to the colouring process. She then asked what I think is the most difficult question when it comes to getting blonde right, and that is what tone of blonde do you want to be? I asked to be neutral. Creamy blonde is what we were going for, and also what I think we achieved. I am so happy with this. After our chat, Georgie then confirmed what she was going to do, so a mixture of balayage and highlighting techniques. This would help to brighten my blonde gently around my face and also blend in my silver strands. Plus a semi-permanent colour, matching my own natural colour as closely as possible, would help to break up some of the blockiness. To help reduce damage, Georgie recommended the Aveda Botanical Repair Professional range. It starts with a primer and that's sprayed onto hair to help protect during the colour treatment process. I guess it's kind of like Aveda's version of Olaplex or K18, because when I checked their website, they describe it as bond building treatments to strengthen hair from the inside out. Georgie sprayed the primer all over and then started with the lightening part of the colour. It had actually been well over a year since the back or underneath layers of my hair had any colour at all. I'd been having a half head of baby fine highlights and then with a root smudge, so Georgie recommended that we break up the underneath a little bit. To be honest, at this point, I felt so relaxed and confident just to leave it in her expert hands. I sat back and enjoyed my lovely coffee and of course the classic Biscoff biscuit. Yum. After the highlighting part was done, Georgie made up a semi-permanent colour to break up some of the existing blonde and add that dimension. All done, just read some of my book, currently reading Lula Dean's little library of banned books. So far, so good. And I enjoyed another cup of coffee. And yes, okay, I also had another biscuit. Then a little while later, everything was ready to be washed out. The second product in the Botanical repair range was an intensive mask, and she left that on for probably, I guess I was sitting at the sink for about 10 minutes. Then I was done, and she dried it off so that I could see the colour. Here are my results. This is straight after the appointment when I'm back in my car, so the lighting's not amazing, but I can tell you my hair felt insanely soft. So beautiful to the touch. The first time I washed my hair, I didn't have that straw-like feeling I usually get after having bleach through my hair. I don't know if it's the gentle Aveda colours and the bleach, or whether it was the products, or just a combination of everything, but my hair still felt so healthy. This footage is from about a week or so later, and I just love how soft the blonde looks. I also think the placement of the blonde is so clever. When my hair is down, I get a very natural sun-kissed look, and yet probably feel even brighter when I actually wear my hair back, which I do for work a lot. To me, it's lovely, and it's everything that I was after. The silver and grey strands also blend in so much better, which I think is really nice, and hopefully will be a very low maintenance option. For the health of my hair, and also because I think it is good to refresh your style regularly, just so that you don't end up looking dated, I'm definitely going to lean into this balayage kind of lived in low maintenance blonde. I think it's right for me right now. I feel very fortunate to have found Georgie, who is obviously a very creative and experienced colour specialist. Plus, I think the Aveda products were amazing. Usually it takes a good few weeks for my hair to almost recover from having its blonde treatment, but it instantly just feels smooth and soft and shiny, and I really do love the result. I'm so grateful that this year, 2025, I've managed to find the most amazing colourist and the most amazing haircut. And if you would like to know a little bit more about that, then you may want to watch this video next, because I go through the whole experience. Thank you as always for watching. Take care and have a lovely day. See you soon. Bye.